We in the kitchen cooking some oven baked pulled pork. Gonna start out with some onion powder. Sprinkle that all over. Now this is the most important part. You got to stab that meat and stuff those whole garlic cloves in there so it can get all in that meat. Get that garlic flavor in there. We're gonna sprinkle some smoked paprika all over that. Turn that around. Go ahead and cut some of that fat back so we can get all them seasonings up in there. Make sure you cut that real good and stab, stab, stab. No pun intended. Get all that mixed in. Gonna follow it up with some black pepper. Get that all incorporated. Now we using some sweet and smoky rub. Trying to make it seem like it's on the grill, but we ain't on the grill, we're in the oven. But it's gonna taste even better. Last but not least, some sazon. Can't go wrong with that sazon. That little packet goes a long way. A long way with that. Look at it, I'm still sprinkling on. Put that in a Ziploc bag for about a couple of hours. Make sure you got that oven preheating at 300 degrees. As you can see, I'm dumping that out in the pan. I'm not adding no liquid and no foil. In the oven, it goes. Close that up. Low and slow. Now this is like 2.5 hours later. No liquid, no foil. Get back in there. We're going to see you in about 30 more minutes. 30 minutes later. Juicy, moist, tender, oven baked pork. This is pork shoulder, pork butt, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, that's hot. Burning my hands up. I got to use some forks to take this apart. Because this is too hot. I end up getting 2 forks and pulling that apart. Get that all pulled apart. Look at that garlic. It's like just soft and tender. Just mash it up. Look at it. You don't even see it no more. Just mash it all up. Pulled pork. The best part is that fat cap right there. That's what I want. Cut that up later. Ooh, crispy. Pulled pork. Can't go wrong with pork. End up having to make some containers because these kids talking about they not hungry right now. I'm going to put these in some containers. They can eat this tomorrow. Added some rice, some black beans, and some plantains with it. Pulled pork. Can't go wrong. The other white meat, they say. Subscribe if you like what you see.